In 2008, APC completed the design and delivery of a turnkey data centre for the North Melbourne Institute of TAFE. The installation of the solution came after an intense design phase carried out by the APC consulting engineers. Together with the customer, they looked at all the options to achieve the best possible power and cooling infrastructure for an environment in rapid expansion in terms of IT technologies and processes. The data centre was delivered in two different phases. The first half included the installation and connection of the chilled water system to the data centre room. The second part of the project allowed for the installation and configuration of the data centre power and cooling infrastructure. The data centre room is located on the third floor of the North Melbourne Institute of TAFE. Some structural calculations were necessary to determine the location of the chillers on the roof and the racks on the floor. During Phase 1, the chillers were delivered and installed by APC on the roof of the building. Mechanical piping was also installed through the risers of the building to the main chilled water distribution unit located in the data centre. The positioning of the chillers had to be completed in less than an hour because of the location of the crane and obvious traffic concerns. The project team of 15 people from APC were involved in the delivery of Phase 1, which included the design, project management and physical installation. The second part of the installation, Phase 2, included the installation of the power protection system, UPS, the installation of the power distribution to the IT racks, and the installation of the high-precision cooling system and infrastructure management applications. The data centre layout is organised in 3 rows in a hot and cold aisle arrangement. The in-row or in-line cooling units are high-precision systems designed to deliver up to 30 kilowatts of cooling capacity per unit, depending on the environment. The cooling units are installed between the racks and have now been configured for a medium density environment. However, the design allows for a simple and easy expansion of the system for densities up to 20 kilowatts per rack. The in-roll cooling units extract heat from the hot aisle and deliver cold air in the cold aisle. Power and data cables are installed overhead, so a raised floor wasn't needed for cold air distribution or cabling. The management console reports to a central application which collects information on power consumption, environmental parameters, cooling distribution, and the status of components for trending and periodical analysis. Overall, the system is a well-integrated and flexible solution for the data centre with a life cycle of more than 10 years, which is substantial in rapidly changing IT environments. The reading of the efficiency of the data centre, PUE and DCIE, is a very simple and straightforward process that can be scheduled at any time. The initial design phase and configuration to suit the business requirements of the TAFE has played a very important role. The data centre can now provide an N+1 on the power protection and a 2N on the distribution redundancy level. It is a very efficient system with savings up to 30% compared to similar data centres with a legacy designed power and cooling infrastructure.